So good day everyone. So now we will discuss to you the graphical method. So a company produced two products A and B using two machines X and Y through production time and profit per unit. So this is the table. Product is A and B. Machine X is 2 hours and 4 hours. Machine Y 3 hours and 1 hour, and then the profit is 180. So maximize G is equal to 100x plus 80y subject to 2x plus 4y is less than or equal to 240. 3x plus y is less than or equal to 180. So now we'll get the y. So fx is 0, so ang x nato may mo 0. So 2 times 0 plus 4y is equal to 240. Ito 40 man dire. So 4y i-divide nato sa 4 and also the 240 i-divide nato sa 4. Then cross out ra tani. So 240 divide 4 is equal to 60. There is 60. So now, x na po na itong baon. So, fy is equal to 0. So, ang y, mahimang na pong 0. So, kung i-times 2x plus 4 times 0 is equal to 40. So, 0 na, 4 times 0. So, bring down the 2x. So, i-divide natin sa 2 and then to 40. Cross out, rin po na ito. 240 divided 2 is equal to 120. So, na natin x 120. So, then i-drop din na. So, na natin first. So, karon kini na po na itong baon. First is si x o si y. Itong baon. Si y itong baon. So, now, 3 times 0 plus y is equal to 180. So, more na siya, 180. So, now, so, diri na bata, baon na ito ang y. 3 times 0 plus y is equal to 80. Since wala na ikuha na itong y, so, bring down na ito itong y, then automatic, 180. So, equal to 180 na siya. So, pili, diri, 180. Then, karon, x na po na itong baon. So, since 3x plus 0 is equal to 180, so, bring down na ito ang 3, then divide natin sa 3, and then also ang 180 sa divide sa 3. Dire, crush out, reapong na. So, 180 divide 3 is equal to 60. So, atong x is equal to 60. Dire. And then, graph. So, since kini atong first graph is mo ni si 2x plus 4y is less than or equal to 240. Then kini mo ni si 3x plus y is less than or equal to 180. So now we'll find the intersection of 2x plus 4y is equal to 240 and 3x plus y is equal to 180. So we have our first equation, 3x plus y is equal to 180. Then so we simplify this equation, so then y is equal to 180 minus 3x. So now, we'll substitute the first equation to second. So, 2x plus 4y is equal to 40. 2x plus 4 and 180 minus 3 is equal to 40. So now, copy the 2x and 4 is simplify natin yung 1. So, 4 times 180 is equal to 720. Then 4 times 3 equals negative 12x is equal to 240 na yun. So now, 2x minus 12 is equal to 240 minus 720. So 2x minus 12 is equal to negative 10. And 240 minus 720 is equal to negative 80. So now negative siya is copy man ang sign sa bigger number. So pareha na yun. So, i-divide din natin sila dua. I-break down natin ng 10. So, negative 10x divide minus divide by 8. Divide by 8. So, mabili natin is x. So, negative 480 divide negative 10 is equal to 48. So, now, nakuha na natin ng x is equal to 48. So now, ang atong pangitaw na po is ang y. 2x plus 4y is equal to 240. So, 2 times 48 is equal to 94 plus 4y is equal to 240. So, 4y is equal to 240 minus, so iba na ito, so equal, transpose. So, since na 4, so i-divide na ito, cancel yung dua, ang mabilin is ang y. So, since 240 minus 26 is equal to 144, 144 divide 4 is equal to 36. So, atong y is 144 divide 4 is equal to 36. So, atong y is equal to 36. So now, nakuha naman natin dua. We'll try to same pa sila na to. So, 3x plus y is equal to 180. So, 3 times 48 plus y is equal to 180. So, ang y, gano'n natin sa 3 times 48 is equal to 134 and 180. So, i-minus na itong dua. So, y is equal to 180 minus 134 equal to 36. So, sakto itong 1 first na kung sabi na itong y. So, now, x na po. 3x plus y is equal to 180. 3x plus 36 is equal to 180. So, return natin x, cancel. So, minus na ng 2 is mo 144 divide 3. So, ang x is equal to 48. So, at sakto yapon. We'll evaluate the corner point to z. So, 0, 0, z is equal to 100x plus 80y is equal to 100 times 0 plus 80 times 0 is equal to 0. Second is 60, 0. Z is equal to 100 times 60 plus 80 times 0 is equal to 6,000. And the third is 0, 60. So, z is equal to 100 times 0 plus 80 times 60 is equal to 4,800. And the last is 40 and 36.
48.
48 and 36. Z is equal to 100 times 48 plus 80 times 36 is equal to 7,680. So, mo niya itong